Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and to know the RAM on your computer. This tutorial works the same for both Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. Now, there are two methods you can achieve this. My name is Isaac and welcome to A Minute with AI. For the first method, go to this PC and right-click on it. From here, go to Properties. The Properties window will open and you will be able to see the About features on your monitor. Now head over device specification. Here you will be able to see the device name, the processor, installed RAM, and other features. As you can see, we have the installed RAM. This is what we are interested in. And on this PC, I have 12 GB of installed RAM. So in your case, go ahead and locate the installed RAM on your PC. That is the first method we can use to see or to find the RAM that is installed on our computer. Now, in the second method, go ahead and instead of right-clicking on this PC, just double-click on it to open. Once it has opened, head over to the tick on the right corner and click on it. It will take you again to the About page and head over to Device Specification. Here again, you can see the installed RAM is 12 GB. Now, this is the RAM that is installed on your PC. Whenever you change, add, or remove RAM, the changes will be reflected here. Let me know if you have any question concerning this in the comment section. And if you liked this video, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.